everybody. It's Miss Love again, and I have another tip for Blackboard for you. Um, you might look at this screen and think, wow, that looks a little different from what I normally see when I log into Blackboard. You'll notice we don't have our participants box that showed us who's in class, and we lost our chat box. So I've heard some people saying that they've lost their chat box and they can't find it, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So if you did lose your chat box, or if you lost your participants box, or if you lost the video box, what you can do to fix it is you're going to go up here to view. You're going to click on view. And then if you go all the way down here to restore default layout, that's always going to be your bottom choice. Click restore default layout, and then look, our room is back. You can see our participants room, and if I click my little arrow here, you'll be able to see the video. So if I would hop on the video here, you would see me pop up on video. But the video is going to play. Oh, the video is going to play down in the corner instead. But again, that's view and then restore default layout to get your chat box, your participants box back in Blackboard. So hopefully that helps, and I will see you later. Bye.